Hey guys, welcome back. This is my third day, and I'm hoping this won't take longer than 5 days. But it's okay. I'd rather take my time and do everything right than try to rush through things. So, the lower control arm, the axle, and pretty much everything on the front that needs to be removed. The next step is to cut off this section right here, which I kind of started, but I couldn't find the bigger saw. I had a smaller saw that I tried with, and it wasn't really working that well. And now I found the saw that I need and some blades, and now we have to cut off this section right here, and then we drop down the differential, and then we gotta cut off a few things on the differential. Just following the manual, basically doing everything step by step, because it's something that I never done before, so it's a little I guess a little tricky. And once that's done, then I'm gonna start installing the crossbars on the front here, on the back, and so on, and continue on installing everything how it was removed. And then, so I'll finish the front, and then I'm gonna go on to the back. And the back should be pretty simple. The back is just a block, nothing that major. It's not as bad as the front. I would say I put maybe 4 hours into this so far, so I think I have maybe about 3-4 hours to go on the front here, and then it should be done. I'm hoping. It might take a little longer, so we'll see. And then the back is maybe 2 hours. Let's get this done. Get this truck lifted. Alright guys, so let's get this done. Let's go. Alright guys, here's where I got so far. I cut off the brackets on both sides and welded in new plates on both sides. Now you gotta paint them so that it doesn't rust. And I cut off the edges right here because when you get the differential lowered, the flanges are too close to the edge right here, so they might be hitting it. So the manual says to cut it off to make sure it doesn't hit. The differential was also modified. This section was cut off, a little flange right here, and this other side was trimmed, and this new bracket was installed now. So now this thing is pretty much ready to be put in. I just gotta paint the welded in plates and make sure there's no raw metal so it doesn't rust. And we're gonna start assembling here tomorrow. That is for today. And I gotta go back to work right now, and then tomorrow I'll try to assemble most of the front in and drop it on the front and start doing the back. Once again guys, thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.